to my channel. So I'm gonna cook scrambled egg. See, I'm gonna cook scrambled egg, guys.
Ayun, naglabting. Pabutan na. Ano na. Wala po ang samay ko. Pabutan mo.
Mantika.
Iyan mo na ko
Lang.
umilit.
Ito din ang umilit. Ay, saan na? Ay, sa. Ari ka na sa mga paig. Ayaw. Ari ka na kilid. Kaya mo na iluto.
Yari.
Ako, be. Sige, aras to nga pagkuan. Ibali.
It's okay.
Ayun.
Sugbag ka?
Okay.
Inat ba di ay?
Tarong.
Tira na. Yaw.
Galuto siya. Trainer.
Ngayon daw siya mag-chef.
Swing, isa mo. Shot na niya. Luto gyapon ka, guys.
Ko ilabay ng itlog. Sugya po.
Okay na na.
Napamay.
Yaw. Yaw. Let's go.
Matagak.
What the fuck?
Ibo yan.
Oh.
Hindi mo na.
Doon ako, di kong nananag sayang.
Sure. Hindi mo ka
Makauglaing sudan. Naas itulyukan ba? Scramble mo din pa mata.
It's so yummy, guys. Yep, so yummy. So, I'm gonna eat it too. So I gotta throw away the eggshell. Shot.
Ano, nilabay ng itlog siya.
So let's kick ass. Guys, go. Let's go. Sheesh. It's gonna eat. We feasting tonight, bruh. We gonna be feast.
Guys, mga ani guys. Bilog ng...
Right here, guys. I got the scrambled egg, of course. I love my scrambled egg. Ah, it's hot. It's hot. for sure hot. This will be a midnight snack, guys, of course. It's literally midnight, like 11 p.m. in the night. So if you're asking why I'm using my hands, of course, all half Filipinos or Filipinos, like pure Filipinos or half Filipinos, know that you need to eat using your hands. But if you're in a restaurant, you use spoon and fork. But if you're at your home, you can eat with your hands. At a restaurant, eat with a spoon and fork. Delicious, guys. Delicious and hot.
This tastes like torch.
Lagi yung kamera mo.
Blurred lagi yung kamera.
That's so good, guys.
Ang hugas ha.
Pagkatugo guys, pag vlog sa
Like, American ka, gikan ka sa American, di pa ka, kag hugas. Kanang vlog,
Chicken
mag-vlog
dali ko US. Di man.
mag-vlog din sa unang limpyo na. Nalungin ko, like, subscribers, ang hugas, mamilo.
Dili lang ko, pero ingon mo, nahitan ko US na kadtubig kung US wa man. So yummy, guys. That's bushing, guys.
Hindi na mag-storage.
uyab na idlo.
Namaw na.
This is not bushing, guys.
Napakit ay dapat yan.
The smoke's coming out, guys. From getting too hot, just like me, JK.
Kabagi kung hugas ka.
So guys, it would really help me if you'd like make an alt account and sub to this account. I would be very thankful, guys. Actually, it's like this channel is like a small channel that's you won't know. Maybe I will be famous or not.
No.
Shut up.
Gini.
You're so ugly. Shut up. We should like talk Bisaya because like 92% watch my videos is Philippines.
In this like
So
here.
we will talk Bisaya.
Tawa mo picture niyo daw.
So guys, lamig kayo yun. Lamig yun kayo guys.
Bro,
Lamig
bayar
yun
din sa
kayo.
sarili niyo. Adara din napitad.
Wala lagi ko.
Ano yun? Isan ko naman siya naman yung screenshot. Dugay naman yun. Oo, pag-igo ako dito tinta rin. Wait. Naman ko bigyan. Kaya ganito. Shame yan.
Man, I'm kind of getting full. I'm kind of getting full.
Nagkaroon na nabon ko.
It's only a little bit left. I'm getting full. You want some?
Allergic ako.
Allergy ng itlog. Kaon mga ni kag itlog sa kasang boiled egg.
Ang hinangon man to.
Ka?
Nakadunggab ang.
Gusto ba ka?
Okay.
Katang sunod lang eh.
Bala kaya ko nang ibutang sa yung plato.
Alam na sa rin ka.
Eat bro. Eat.
Mabali dito kung nang gusto ko ng ocean. Kitis.
Tuluan din mo.
Sure lang kamugon naman ko.
Nagapa ko.
So guys,
Part
it's all finished. And it's delicious. So,
Sabi ko niya. Hindi ka relate kay wala. Ay, delete.
Kiro.
so guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Someone like.
Like and subscribe for the next video. Let's go!
Sa vlog di ka?